Hey friends, it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a quick flip through of all of the projects I did in the month of June, and there were quite a lot of them. They're kind of all spread out throughout my desk here, and I guess I will just share randomly. First, I have this double page Bible journaling spread that I did with two photographs of me and a friend. I have all these fussy cut flowers, and I have some gold metallic paint, a little bit of journaling right there, and then I had a full page of journaling over here on this tip-in, and you can see I just used washi tape to put in this wood grain pattern paper into my Bible, and I hand lettered that with the same gold metallic paint that's on this page, and it says friendship. And then I took notes on an entire 1-hour devotional video or sermon about the importance and power of friendship and what God means for that to be for us. So this is the first thing that I did in the month of June. Really love how that turned out. And then to go along with my Bible, I had some other devotionals that I was working through or some scripture that I was reflecting on, but those pages already had Bible journaling done on them. So what I did is I got into one of my War Binder notebooks and I did my journaling here. So you can see I did this giant title, and then I have several pages of notes and then a page for my prayers. So I worked in my War Binder this month to do that, and I have a whole class over on Big Picture Classes showing you how to make your own War Binder, how to do intentional study, and all of that wonderful faith-based stuff. So that's what I did for Bible journaling in the month of June. And then I have three 8.5 by 11 layouts for the month of June and three 12 by 12 layouts. So I'll share the 12 by 12 layouts first. I've got this beautiful one here, and you can see all the layers here. I've got so many different fussy cut white florals, and I cut a lot of these out on the silhouette that my friend let me borrow. And then I used some of these gold thicker vines there to go in along with all of the white paper that I had put down with all those vines. And I've got the title there that says family, and a couple word stickers there, a couple word stickers here, and then lots of gold shimmer paint splatters throughout the page. And this is a really beautiful wedding photograph of somebody that I know. I put a call out on Facebook saying that if anybody wanted me to scrapbook their pictures, they could send me a couple and I would try my hand at it. And that's what I did, and I really love how this layout turned out. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Such a pretty classic color scheme and look for a wedding layout. And then this is actually a double page spread, and it goes along with this 12 by 12 page right here. And this one is of the bride and her husband, and then another artistic photograph of the bride. And again, I use that same thicker pack with the gold phrases and the vines, the same word sticker pack there, the same shimmer paint, and the same white die cut flowers there. Very pretty. This page is very simple, and there's lots of spots where she could go in and do journaling if she wants to. And I just kind of did a couple of titles there. And I really love how these two pages look together. One's more simple with room for journaling, and then this one's very artistic with all of the different layers and texture going on. So those are two of my 12 by 12 layouts for the month. And then I also did this 12 by 12 layout for the month. This does have a process video over my channel, and the other two have process videos that will be coming, I believe, if I get around to editing them. So much work to do in grad school. And I did the rolled paper technique for the first time ever on this layout. I love how it turned out. It's got the fun 70s vibe with the light pink and the red and the oranges. And yeah, just so much fun. So you could check out the process video for this on my channel if you want to see how this 12 by 12 layout was created. And then I made this one. This was another page that I made for somebody who submitted their photos to me to work with their photos. And this is a picture of their daughter at one of her school dances. And I did so much fun stuff on this layout. I don't know if you can see, but this whole page here has so much texture on it. I used the Maggie Holmes Sunny Day stencil with all the florals, and there's modeling paste all on the background of this white paper, white modeling paste on white paper, and it just creates so much texture. And then I had this black and white floral tulle, and I layered that on top of my stenciled background there, and I really like how that turned out. I think it's so cute. And then I used all of these little die-cut butterflies on there. Some of them have this lacy trim. I layered them up. In a lot of cases, you have a lacy one with a solid white butterfly behind it. This one was layered up 2 different lacy butterflies on top of each other, and that just creates so much dimension and texture when you're looking at it from the side, and it makes it look like the butterflies are kind of coming up off of the page there. It's so pretty. And then I used some pink thickers for the title here that says Sweetheart, and she can add a label or anything else that she wants to, or a journaling card to a couple different spots here if she wants to do some journaling about this layout of her daughter at her first school dance. And yeah, I just love how this one turned out. I think it's so beautiful. There is a process video for this one on my channel, I believe, and you should be able to go and check that one out if you want to see how this one was made. You can see I use the same black phrase stickers that I use on those wedding layouts, and yeah, really love how this one turned out and all the fun stuff I was able to use, like this specialty tool. So much fun. And then the last 2 8.5 by 11 layouts I made were for myself using my Citrus Twist kits last month. I've got this beautiful one, which I really love. This was on the Citrus Twist Kits blog. And yeah, I just love these phrases, and I love the 70s vibe I've really been trying to go with all these oranges, yellows, pinks, and reds. So many fun, warm tones, and yeah, I just love all the fun mixed media on this page. The stamped border on top of this gold foil tissue paper border, and the hand-drawn hearts mixed in with the enamel dots and the foam little asterisks there. So much fun. And then we have this 8.5 by 11 layout, and this is the last thing I made in the month of June. And there is a process video for this on my channel that you can check out. There's lots of thread and dimension, so much fun. I love all the photo layers behind the photo strip, and yeah, lots of fun little embellishments that stick up off the page there. I'm not sure if you can tell how much dimension this page has, but yeah, I really love it, and it has the doodly border. So that's what I did for the month of June. I have 3 different 8.5 by 11 layouts. I have 3 different 12 by 12 layouts, and then I had a double page Bible journaling spread, and then 3 or 4 pages in my war binder. So that's how I got creative in the month of June. I hope you have enjoyed this video going through all of my June projects. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know what your favorite project was, and I will catch you next time, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the creative inspiration that I share here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!